You start a business on Monday, watch rich mindset videos on Tuesday, quit by Friday, and then say, I tried everything. No, you didn't. You just never stayed long enough. Here's the hard truth. Switching lanes too fast. That's it. One day you're into YouTube, next week you're researching dropshipping, then you hear about crypto, then some dude on Instagram says affiliate is the future, and boom, you're trying everything, but finishing nothing. It's not hustle, it's chaos, and chaos keeps you broke. You know why this happens? Because of dopamine, that tiny hit you get when you start something new. It feels exciting, fresh, full of promise, but then it gets boring. Results take time, views are low, sales are zero, nobody claps. So what do? You quit and chase the next shiny thing. You're addicted to the start, not the success. Here's what people don't tell you. Every time you quit and restart, you reset your progress to zero. And while you're switching ideas, someone else is stuck on one boring path, posting videos for 2 views, building slowly, and in 6 months they blow up. Not because they're smarter, not because they're lucky, because they stayed. You want to get rich? Stop collecting plans and start executing one. Pick one lane, one idea, and give it 30 to 60 days before even thinking of quitting. Make it a rule. I'm not allowed to switch unless I've put in 50 hours of real work. That's where momentum starts. That's where skill builds. That's where money comes in. Everyone wants to be successful, but nobody wants to be boring. And success is boring. It's repeating the same grind. It's learning what works, tweaking it, doing it again. It's not chasing every Instagram reel that says, this new method makes 5,000 rupees per day. Bro, if it was that easy, everyone would be rich. So the next time you feel like quitting your thing to chase something new, don't. Because this one habit, quitting too early, switching too fast, might just be the reason you're stuck. Stay locked in, and I promise something will click.